So today we're gonna jump into the cab of the truck and start to remove that bench seat so we can fit those really nice NRG bucket seats. Thought I'd just guess what size this bolt right here is gonna be, and I kind of figured it would be a 10 or a 12. Grab the good old 12. Fits like a glove. So we're looking at the back bolt now, and it's right there. So I thought I'd be able to get the ratchet in there. It doesn't look like it, and I don't even have my ratcheting today, so we're just gonna pull it off with this. All right, so we got this side loose. Let's move to the other side and do that one too. All right, so let's see how good or bad this goes. I'm all by myself today, so we'll see. Maybe a little wiggle from the other side. One crucial step I missed. Belt buckles. Now with the belt buckles removed, it should just slide right out. There she is.
Get the center console out. A couple screws here under that mat. And this comes loose. You just got this shift boot out of the way. So I'm gonna pull that and it'll come out. All right, now that's out of the way, we can keep going. All right, next step is we're gonna detrash this thing, clean it all up so that we can actually work. All right, all cleaned out. This thing had about an inch layer of dirt under this carpeting. Old rust bucket here is filthy. Now we can get to work. All right, I took that gear shifter off, just a little Allen head. Pulled that carpeting out. That came out no problem. It's just on these little rivet heads. Then over here we got a choke. We just unscrew that on the back side, and then that'll pop off, and we can take off this glove box. All right, this choke is off. I'm a fan of putting things back together like this so that I don't lose parts. Now I can just take this box out. All right, this box has a little Phillips head screwdriver right there. I'll pop that off. These are already broken, so it's no big deal. Get that out. All right, with that out, pops off that. And it slides out.
Now there might be a couple of bolts up underneath. I'm gonna get under there and check it out. All the way on the left here. Yep, one on either side. Pull it down. Jump over here, same thing. Now, don't be like me and forget these. Mine are always loose. What's good to remove these right here. They're going to be push in, rotate. Should come right off, just like that. If you guys can see this one, it's a hook. And so then there's a clip that goes over it, just like this. The way it goes on is it goes over the top, clipping the wire, which holds it on to that ring. And then your defrosters. One on either side. Just releasing all the wire loom now. Jump around the back side and just remove any wiring that's still connected. There's some twist tie type straps along the whole top side for the loom. Now we should just be able to grab it and slide it right out. Boom. Now we're going to unscrew these couple bolts from the back of the steering wheel and pull the steering wheel off. By myself.
You want to fight?
Oh, that was easy.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, now they say.
Stop camera.
No, I'm just gonna go for it. Just a quick video here, threading these couple of bolts in and using the puller to thread in and pull out the steering wheel.